getting pretty sick and tired of not having air conditioning out here. So I bought all the stuff I needed to wire up this cabin. I'm going to be using local grid. I'm just going to run this RV hookup thing right here that just takes like regular wires that go in the back, like so, and plugs into an extension cord. I'm going to run it from the meter out back, and I'm going to wire the cabin up just like a regular house. I'm going to put three outlets in parallel all the way through here, all the way up to the light. So we'll see how that goes. Just gonna show you real quick, this RV hookup is real simple. Ordered it on Amazon, but it's just got an extension cord port there on it, and then it's real simple to wire. It's color coded, and I just drilled a little hole there in the back of the cabin, so relatively easy. All right, the power is working now, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this little window unit air conditioner that I got off Amazon. So we'll see how that works out. It had good reviews, and it's about 100 degrees inside the cabin here. Well, the AC is working. It's blowing relatively cold. Let's see what it gets the cabin down to. I wish I had a thermostat in here. George Miller. Well, now that I got the air conditioner running, there, time to put up some insulation to try to hold in some of this air conditioning and heat in the winter. So I just bought these R13 bats, and my studs don't really match up. Some of them are 2 foot, some of them are like 3 inches. So it should be interesting. Now, one of the biggest issues here on the homestead that I have is this friggin' cabin. Insulating, the wiring, that was a pain in the ass, but got that done finally. But a big issue is there's a river right behind me, and for whatever reason, someone put this cabin facing into the mountain. So today I'm gonna install this window that I got off Amazon. So I'm just gonna cut it out this back wall and put it in. We'll see. Didn't turn out bad. Had to end up using cedar as the trim around it. I didn't have any more of this material that cabin's built out of, and I had that laying around, but that should give me a little better view of the river. Let's go check it out. All right, and it's real simple. That tree's blocking my back field, so it's got to go. I'm telling you right now, if you are thinking about homesteading and you have property and a tree falls, it'll fall across a road. No ifs, ands, or buts. I don't care what it is. I had 5 trees fall since the last time I was here. All 5 of them are across the road. So you're ready for that. Well, that's got that taken care of. I can finally reach the cistern there. But yeah, 3 trees across the road. Nowhere else though. Got all this other room to fall in, but for some reason they wanted to fall right there. Well, I think the tractor got a little hot. Yeah, we'll let it sit there a minute, it'll be all right. All right, let's see if we can get this tractor going again. At least get it off the hillside. Well, here we are at the river. It's up pretty high from all the storms we've been having. But I'll tell you, this water works real nice whenever you're short antifreeze and you're out here and your tractor's stuck up there in the hill. That the storm's coming in, I think. I've been trying to burn this dang burn pile for about 2 years now. I think I finally have it going. So been in this hole since I started this process about 2 years ago, and every time I come home, it rains. I can't burn it. But I put on the box grader on the tractor, and I'm pushing it over on top of each other. So I think I finally got it. I'll tell you, it's nice having all these attachments to the tractor. So you need one for about 3 minutes, and then you gotta do all this swapping around. Oh, come on, there we go. Well, here's the cistern again. Let's go check the water flow. This is like a never-ending process trying to get this thing running again. All those electrical components have been underwater, so still actively working on that, but it's kind of on the bottom of the priority list. See what's going on in the inflow, whatever it is. The cave's still running a little bit. Cool air coming out of there, feels nice. I'll figure it out one of these days, get water pumping up there to the property.